Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Xgene and proteinX. So in this tutorial video I'll show you that how to make a 3D structure of a protein. And so in normally you can get any 3D structure or any this kind of model from PDB. There are a lot of proteins available in there in PDB, but if there is no such kind of protein available that you required, so if you have this kind of linear sequence of the protein, so you can use this linear sequence to get a 3D structure of a protein by using online Swiss model. So for that you have to type Swiss model. So this is very online and very effective tool to get a 3D structure of any protein of any linear sequence. So this is the home page of the Swiss model. So you have to start modeling, and then after that you find some kind of box where you have to insert your desired sequence. So for example, I want to get the 3D structure of this protein. So I want to get one protein structure from here in the NCBI. So let's assume that I want to get the 3D structure of this linear sequence. So copy and paste here. So it automatically is arranged by the software. After that, click this one. If you want, you can write your name. So for me, I want to write the protein name AGR2 3D structure. Okay, so and then search for template. Don't go for the built model directly. You have to search template first. So it takes little time. So this is actually very useful and very shortcut method to get a 3D structure from the Swiss model. And actually this is in some cases not all of the proteins are 3D forms are available in the UniProt or in PDB. So in that case you can use this Swiss model, and you can get a a sophisticated structure of a 3D model, and you can use that 3D model for your molecular docking or any protein-protein interaction or whatever you want. You can use that one directly, and this is very shortcut method also, and no complicated way to get this kind of 3D structure. So after that you will get, so it's done already, like it already searched by the software, and it gets like there are a lot of structure it found, and you see there are a lot of structure around. How many structure is around 50 structure already found by the software, by the system, template 50. So out of 50, but not all of the structure are completely identical. The first you can see here, so this is the coverage. So the coverage is 0.61. So this is the GMQE. You can consider this score. This is actually how much part is covering by this sequence, and this is the identity This is the 99.26. This is very much identical with this sequence, and so these two are very important. You have to check it out before get any model. So if you want this one, so just click here and then build model. So when you start building model, then it takes a bit time to get this 3D model. So this is your 3D structure. Okay, so it's already done. It's already done by the online tool. So you see here the in details information here, template, sequence identity, coverage, and also you can extend to get more information. So also this is one of the important information. So actually this is not a very proper sequence I choose. If this star it get inside of this structure in this field, that means is very much suitable and is very much um, identical with 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 that structure that you are want to get a protein model structure. So for this is not very proper, but I suggest you that to get this kind of model, where you find this kind of star, it will be inside this in this black part. Then it will be obvious, it will be significant actually. Then you can choose that one. So for me, this for example, that's okay, no problem. So for that, you can save it in pdb format. So you have to click the pdb format here and you can save it, and later on you can open it by pymol or any other suitable software. Okay, that's it guys. So I think this video will be helpful. Thanks very much.